Maman,
Yes, my child.
are you ready for something new?
Or something new? Is it going to be in French?
No, it's in English, but I'm speaking with a French accent puisque je parle français. Okay, Maman, we're going to be doing something completely different that you've never done before today.
Okay.
But we're going to ease you into this topic. These are the Disney mini brands series 2. This is a full pack that is from Target, the fancy French store.
Yeah, this is different.
Yes.
These are minis. Okay.
And I think, by the way, these are made by the same company who made the Bubble Blaster that we are so fond of.
Maybe.
Yeah,
Mini
so do you want to
brands.
get the balls out?
Let's get the ball rolling.
Oh my God, I'm done with you. All right, Mom, how many balls do we have to get rolling?
There's a total of 4 in the packaging, and I kind of wish Papa Crane was in here because he would just take them out and start juggling them.
Oh, yes.
I don't know how to juggle.
Yes, so let's have Mom start
Disney,
getting
look,
one of
so
these.
Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars, I
Yes.
guess, can be in these.
Yes, so let's let Mama start getting those unwrapped. All right, Mama, you ready to get it opened?
I'm just kind of curious how. Oh wait, let me flip. Oh, I see. Wait, there's a little. I think that's a little pulled up.
It opens up like those chocolate oranges that we get at Christmas.
Oh my, this is kind of really special. Look at this, in little sections.
Uh-huh. And then inside each one of those little thingies will be a mini.
So,
What'd you do with?
We're filming, Dad. What you doing?
all right, I'm opening this one.
Okay.
Okay, it's a tiny.
Here's the
little-
paper with all. You picked the right one because this one has the paper with all the information. What is
Okay,
it?
so it looks like it's Mickey. So don't know if this is like there's nothing in the box.
No, there's nothing in the box. No.
It's just for show.
Correct. They're just for show. But what is it? You got to show
It's a
everybody.
little box with Mickey. So let's see. It's in the second.
And
one.
he's got a little barbecue set. Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse one. Oh, what's that? A thermos? And we'll check the rarity of these at the end.
It's Woody.
Uh-huh.
Thermos.
Okay, what's in the next one?
This one has. Okay. Oh, this is one of Dad's favorites. It's Moana, like as a doll. Like
Uh-huh.
packaged in a.
Daddy loves Moana.
He does. I am Moana.
Google Gaga, I am baby Moana. The sea chose me.
And here is. Okay, this is from Marvel.
Up, that's Iron Man.
Iron Man. And I am not as on top of the Marvel things.
As your daughter and husband.
Yes. Okay. Oh, this must be a little display stand. Okay. So
Yes.
we need to see what these do.
All right, well, let's get this set up, Mama. All right, so this is set 1 here. We've got our little Disney display shelf with all the items on it. As you can see, they don't really stand up on it too well, so it doesn't really work too hot because these things are taller than the shelf, so the scale isn't perfect. But Mama's getting ready for the next one.
However, I said if a child loved to play with like Barbie-sized dolls, this would be a fun little accessory pieces for that.
Yes.
Like or the Barbie-sized
Yes.
Disney dolls.
Yes.
This would be fun, like,
Right.
to have for them.
Exactly. So let's wait till Mom gets the second one ready. All right, Mama, what do we got inside?
On to ball number
2.
2. Let's see. These are very easy to open, and you can't guess what's in them till you open
Yes.
them. So here is a miniature. What is that?
This looks like a mini play set.
yeah,
As in
like
Minnie,
the
as
box.
in Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Here is. That's another Marvel.
This
thing.
right here, this is Ghost Spider. Who's the next one? Oh, what did we get? Oh my gosh, we got a shopping bag. Stop it, that's
Precious
adorable.
Cargo. It is a Grogu shopping bag.
That is adorable.
So, like I said, I think these little accessories for someone who plays with Barbie-sized dolls.
Yes,
I guess those are 11-inch. I think they're 11-inch.
something like that. But
Something
yes,
like
this is
that.
one of 4 bags that you can get.
Yes, and here are Spider-Man's.
Okay, we got
Spidey
Spider-Man's,
hands.
his spider gloves.
His Spidey gloves. Yes.
Yes.
And
what's the last
more.
one?
The last one is
Oh, it's Lightning McQueen. Are you excited?
so far that and probably the
Moana or the Woody thing?
I think the Woody thermos.
Are your favorites?
So far.
All right. You ready to keep going? No rares so far, but I'm
These
really
all-
excited about this bag. This is so cute.
Yeah, it's a little cute little story
Yes.
guide.
Time to get the next one. So, Mom, does it open like a chocolate orange?
No, it does not.
That's
but
unfortunate.
There is a little pull tab here, so you can kind of just pull them out.
That's convenient.
Yes,
All right. You
So-
ready to open another one?
I am. So let's see what's inside. Oh, there's the.
Wait, is that, oh my gosh, it's Rex.
Okay.
He's cute.
I'm digging the Rex because
See, she was knocking on these until she started getting into the more.
No, I wasn't knocking on them. Oh, we
I
have
got another Woody. Okay.
Another Woody thermos.
Our first duplicate.
I think what it is I love the Pixar stuff more than Marvel because that's just.
Oh yeah.
That's just.
But a lot of these collections will always have the Marvel in them too.
Well, Marvel is for a different audience. Just
Right.
Not. It's just not one of my faves.
Oh, and that's Raya from Raya and the Last Dragon.
I loved Ray in the Last Dragon.
Me too. And then is this? We have 2 more left. What are we gonna get? Oh, it's a Wookiee. Should I hide that in Dad's office?
For all of these Star Wars fans, it's a Wookiee.
Oh, and look at how cute that bag is.
Oh, look at this one's little mini. It's
Yes.
a mini bag. Look at that. She's all in her little pink.
Yes. Want to get?
course.
Do you want to put everything inside the bag?
What things would? Oh, geez. Let's see. What would Minnie like?
This.
Oh, yes. We have to put that in Minnie's bag.
Give this
I agree.
because it's for Mickey.
Of course. she
Here,
has
just
to
drop
give
it in.
Then all we need is a little piece of tissue paper, and it's a
Boop.
perfect gift.
There we
Look
go.
at that.
All right, Mom. We got 1 more left. You ready to get it open?
One more.
Yeet the tube.
Okay.
Yeet the tube. Yeet.
Ready? Set. Ooh, yeet.
Good. Don't miss the opportunity to yeet.
And I don't have to worry about a dog.
Yes. All right. Let's let you get that unwrapped. All right, Mama.
The last one is unwrapped, and it's little orange wedge slices. And, oh, there's more from Moana.
Which we will hide in
Oh,
Dad's office.
it's the same one, but it's a dupe.
I'm hoping we get one of these ultra rare gold ones. Oh,
Here's Star Wars.
is that Ray? That is
Looks like
Ray.
That is Ray.
Okay.
Definitely Ray. She's got a little staff there. Oh,
Who's on the bag?
it looks like it's Disney princesses.
Oh, show them the
Says
bag.
going places.
Very nice. Let's put that up at the end, Mom, but let's
Yep.
get the other ones out. Show Ray the bag while she does that.
This one is BB-8.
Oh, good. Hide this in Dad's office. Hide this in Dad's office. And hide this in Dad's office.
Got one.
Oh, that one too. Sorry. And what's the last one? Is it another car?
This is a car. Which car is this? Wait a minute. I don't know which car this is.
Please
Oh,
hold.
Jackson Storm.
Oh, it's Jackson Storm. Is he from Cars 2? Or
believe.
Cars 3, actually, I think
Maybe
he's from.
3, yeah.
Somebody let us know in the comments below.
Not sure.
Yes. All right, let's show everybody what we got. We'll get it all lined up. All right, so we got a couple of themes here. We have Mickey and Friends. We've got our Pixar zone, our little Marvel zone, our Disney Princess zone, and this is gonna hide in my dad's office. And we have our Star Wars zone, which all is going to hide in my dad's office. So, what are your thoughts, Mama?
You know, this is, I will say I like the Disney Doorables better. Just unwrapping,
you, yes.
unboxing for me personally. But again, I think these little sets, if you were a little collector of things or had the
dollhouse?
the dollhouse would be great for a dollhouse.
Yes, I think
Or
we should.
again, if you have any of the Disney themed characters, you could do a whole little vignette with them.
Yes, Mom, we could go put these with my dollhouse that's downstairs.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Mama, anything else to say to your fans?
Oh, happy Friday, everyone.
Or whatever day this
it
is posted.
Yes.
When we film it, it's Friday.
Yes, it is filmed on a Friday.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.